In mining, equipment runs hard, and downtime costs even more. From extraction and crushing to conveying and processing, mining operations demand power transmission equipment built for severe duty conditions. That's why distributors, MRO providers, and OEMs rely on WorldWide Electric for rugged, replacement-ready solutions that keep mines operating. Our industrial motors, controls, and gear reducers are engineered for high vibration, high dust, high load applications, including severe duty motors, high torque gear reducers, VFDs, and soft starters. When failure happens, fast replacement matters. WorldWide products are stocked and ready to ship, helping reduce downtime and restore production quickly. Whether you're moving ore, screening aggregate, pumping slurry, or driving heavy conveyors, WorldWide Electric helps keep mining operations running day after day. WorldWide Electric, in stock, drop-in ready, built to keep mining moving. Contact your local distributor or WorldWide Electric today.